That 1945 ad mentioned Brillo. I prefer Brillo over SOS. And it is late Friday night. I just wanted to boil some cream of tartar. Let's just do a little rub in and see if it's a little easier just right off. And then we'll do some heavy cleaning tomorrow. We've got our pink Brillo. I'm going to dip it in some water. Let's just see what... if it comes off easier than I thought it would. Well, it is. It's coming off, I think it's coming off quite easy. I usually rely solely on elbow grease. And this seems to be really working. I'm not sure. We didn't boil up along the edge. I loved Bon Ami. And our original Bon Ami is gone like ivory is gone. But I'm not pressing hard. This is very light. I'm used to really elbow greasing. Let's rinse it out and take a look. Oh, I think it made a lot of progress. It's possible. Okay, you can still see some good machining. It's possible just boiling it would have helped, but it sure looks like that cream of tartar made it easier for the Brillo to do its job. Wow. We'll finish this up in the morning. Well...
then we can polish. We can polish in the morning. Let's try a little barkeeper spring. Turns black, we know we're making progress.